Welcome to the skill building workshop on Arduino. I am Mr. Rahul Shimpi, RJ's World of Electronics, Nasik. In this session, we will learn ultrasonic sensor and its application. This sensor has 4 pins: VCC, trigger, echo, and ground pin. This sensor is called as distance sensor or level sensor. As the name indicates, ultrasonic or level sensor measures the distance by using ultrasonic waves. The sensor head emits an ultrasonic waves and receives the wave reflected back from the target. Ultrasonic sensor measures the distance to the target by measuring the time between the emission and reception. Ultrasonic sensors can be used in a variety of applications: liquid level control and monitoring, trash level monitoring, and production lines. This shows the circuit connection for ultrasonic sensor with Arduino. Pin 1 is connected to the VCC of Arduino. Pin 2 and 3 are connected to the digital pins of Arduino. Pin 4 is connected to the ground pin of the Arduino. I have connected the ultrasonic sensor with Arduino as per the circuit diagram. Now we will write the program in Arduino IDE. Let us open the Arduino IDE. Let me explain the program. First, I have defined the pins. So, constant integer trigger pin is equal to 12. So, the trigger pin of the ultrasonic sensor is connected to the digital pin 12 of Arduino. Next, constant integer echo pin is equal to 11. The echo pin of ultrasonic sensor is connected to the digital pin 11 of Arduino. Then I have defined two variables, one is the duration and second is the distance. In void setup function, I have defined pin mode, open bracket, trigger pin, comma, output bracket close. This sets the trigger pin as an output. It transmitting ultrasonic sound. Next, pin mode, echo pin, comma, input. I have set the echo pin as an input because it receives the reflected sound signal from the object. Next, I have initialized the serial monitor. In void loop function, first I have cleared the trigger pin. Then I have set the trigger pin high for 10 microseconds and after that it will be low. Now the echo pin will read the travel time of the sound wave. So to read the travel time, we have the function pulse in. So duration is equal to pulse in open bracket echo pin comma high. So pulse pin is the function which calculate the time taken by the sound wave and it will store that value into the variable duration. So from this we will get the duration. Now calculate the distance. So to calculate the distance, the formula will be distance is equal to duration into 0.034 divided by 2. The duration is calculated from the pulse in function. The speed of the sound wave is 340 meter per second. Convert it into the centimeter per microsecond. It becomes 0.034. Divide the duration by 2 because it is the time taken by the sound wave to travel from source to destination and back to source. So we have to divide it by 2. So from this we will get the distance. Now we need to print this on the serial monitor. So to print it on serial monitor, we have the function serial.print in open bracket. First, I will mention the string distance and again I will call the serial.print with only the variable without double quotes. So the value present in distance variable will be print on the serial monitor. and the distance is in centimeter, so we will print the string cm. So it will be appear as distance colon equal to some numerical value, then after that centimeter. So the distance is in a centimeter. Let us compile and upload the sketch. This brings us to the end of this session. Thank you.